Hi guys! Welcome in New Year! In January we prepared for you 2 incredible miniatures that you can use in your collection. The Hippocamp. A radiant sea beast, half stallion and half serpent, cutting through waves like a living current. Its mane shimmers with the hue of storm-lit foam, and its call echoes with a distant surf. Though often mistaken for benevolent guardian of the deep, it is as capricious as the tides. Capable of saving drowning sailors or dragging them beneath the waves to a coral grave. Ideal for mythic coastlines and oceanic quests. Super Battle Droid. A towering war automaton, forged from blackened alloy and built for ruthless efficiency. Its movements are smooth, unnervingly precise, like a weapon that learned how to walk. Silent, save for the hiss of servos and the hum of built-in weaponry. It advances without hesitation or mercy. Designed not to think but to end battles, it is a relentless force of any worn-torn battlefield. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe to our new YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our new additions.